Hey, hello friends. In today's episode, we see how to harvest ivy gourd. It is also known as Tondli, kundru, etc. This vegetable has incredibly much more health benefits and also so delicious. I know you also like to grow it in your vegetable garden. As it is when planted, it requires support for growing like trellis. It grows very fast in temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. After planting, within 2 months it gives fruits. It can be propagated by seeds and also by stems. For early fruiting, it is recommended to propagate it by stem. Let us talk about medicinal benefits of the Tondli plant. It is very nutritious and very delicious vegetable as well. It have taste much like cucumber. It is good source of vitamin C, cell stabilizing, anti-anaphylactic, antihistaminic, excellent source of beta carotene. You can harvest ivy gourd when fruit size become like this. If you take more time for harvesting, then its taste will be lost. It does not require chemical fertilizer. We use only manure compost. It requires full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Look how beautiful harvest is it. We get lots of fruits with only single plant. It is a very popular food item in India. Everybody knows it, loves it, but its names are different throughout India. If you like the video, then hit the like button and comment below and subscribe the channel Kitchen Gardening with me.